The web is loaded with data and benefits of blockchain innovation. To be sure, blockchain brings massive potential with a great deal of benefits to the table, particularly as far as security and speed of information move. Notwithstanding, with regards to meeting the openness issues, blockchain has its own constraints. Here comes the job of circulated record innovation that overrides the whole range of blockchain-based arrangements, giving solutions to all questions that as of not long ago stayed unanswered. Before we dive into the Iota cost expectation, let us view a portion of the interesting elements of Iota. Iota, the preparation. Circulated record innovation is a through and through various idea which individuals most frequently will more often than not mistake for blockchain-arranged digital currencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum, arising as the most encouraging answer for adaptability. This conveyed record innovation has been the base of beginning for Miota, or all the more famously called Iota. A progressive idea, Iota engages the web of things, conceptualized to resolve issues, as previously mentioned, relating to adaptability. Iota puts together its fundaments with respect to making lives more engaged and quick. Iota, the development story. Discuss cash or bringing in cash, in any event. Besides, cash brings in cash, Iota is a definitive arrangement intended to improve the M2M economy of Web of Things. Iota was presented way back in 2015 as a quantum-safe dispersed record convention, with the unadulterated goal of Iota being to ensure a whenever anyplace available decentralized installment framework, be it miniature or nano. It offers arrangements that guarantee information trustworthiness with next to no think twice about security. Iota, assurance without any trade-offs. The difficulties of blockchain innovation being information openness likewise came in bundles. Those bundles included more slow exchanges yet greater expenses. Iota guaranteed these excess expenses are disposed of alongside the upside of the greater speed of exchanges. This valued advanced cash offered clients the benefit of fixed cash at no inflationary expense. The decentralized agreement of Iota makes clients their own lords of approval. Like blockchain, this advanced resource Iota additionally doesn't call for pretending of any mediators. Dealing with a totally unique record stage called the knot, Iota requires an extremely negligible responsibility of estimations. Like different stages, Tangle abstains from offering clients any gifts of remunerations and doesn't mean to do as such in the future by the same token. Iota, the natural parent of Miota. A unit and computerized resource of Iota, Miota can be bought on totally noted trades. The M means Uber uncovering the genuine very capability of this crypto resource. Sent off in the year 2016. Miota had extraordinary help from parent Iota establishment, contributed approx. $500,000 in Iota digital currency from its group deal, comparable to 1 million. The one Miota would address a million Iota, seeking to be positioned as the main clear decision in web-associated gadgets. Iota plans to empower micropayment exchanges by means of Miota. For instance, purchasing food from an e-com website utilizing your web-connected refrigerator may not be a far-off dream. Miota, the local symbolic that is exchanged on different trades by a great many clients overall, is yet to situate itself in the centralized server of wise venture commendable monetary standards. As a gullible contestant, this crypto resource is yet to build up some decent forward momentum of financial backers as the market shows vulnerability towards its innate potential. There are numerous crypto which are confronting bull run, so exchanging Iota is fitting as of now. Market expectation for Iota, taking a specialist helpline. With a market capitalization of $2,205,228,080.42 and an exchanging volume of $17,708,800, Iota has a great deal to shock financial backers. Iota has to its ruin being the slowest and amazingly being the reliably developing crypto resource classification. The originators behind Iota are exceptionally hopeful that being a pioneer, the mass reception of Iota has a great deal of vows to observe for its fans. In light of our Iota conjectures, a drawn-out increment is normal. The Iota Miota cost expectation for 2027 is $6.35. With a 5-year venture, the income at the cost of Iota is supposed to be around plus 439.36%. In view of the Iota cost expectations, we anticipate that the cost of Iota should reach $2.85 before the year's over, in the wake of expanding in esteem month-on-month for the term of 2022. As per crypto experts and specialized investigation, the Iota cost is estimated to reach $1.10 by the start of 2022. The normal greatest cost is $1.44, and the least cost 99 cents. The anticipated typical cost of Iota toward the finish of 2022 is $1.40, as indicated by cost estimate. Cost of Miota could exchange around $2.79 toward the finish of 2025. According to Iota Gauge, Iota could show enormous head and shoulders triple base, and for the present moment, it could exchange around $3 yet later. It can stamp bullish energy and retest its past ATH around $20 over the course of the following 5 years. Iota Value Gauge, the swell, the rush, the chill. With the ongoing cost of 81 cents at the hour of composing this specialized examination, and at present 2,779,530,283 Miota on the lookout. Iota cost forecasts from the specialized experts of the Iota cryptographic money market show a differentiated pattern with a combine of bears and bulls as one. Be that as it may, the future cost expectations for 2022 are to a great extent bullish. However, Iota didn't outflank during the last year. There is a great deal to be said as a kindness pandemic. The majority of the contenders of Iota also didn't hypnotize the dealers by the same token. Nonetheless, Iota has attempted to cruise even, which is an interesting component to discuss. Its association in different daring activities has guaranteed that its cost keeps up the force. The above graph depicts that the cost isn't expanding much since the long stretch of September 2021. As the cost has ceaselessly gone down, it is anticipated that it could ascend from here on out. Iota Value Expectation 2022. Presently, the Miota cost weights around 78 cents with a flowing stock of 2,779,530,283 Miota. The money has a market cap of $2,184,444,517.43. Starting from the start of this current year, Iota has stamped gigantic downfall and is exchanging simply over its significant help 74 cents. As per Iota Cost Forecast 2022, throughout recent days, the cost of Iota set apart sideways exchanging, which reflects probability of potential gain development the present moment. In light of Iota Value Estimate and Iota Cost Expectation for 2022, we anticipate that Iota Cost might cross $1.05 toward the finish of 2022. Iota Value Expectation 2023. Unpredictability is the inborn trait of the Iota coin, thus any kind of implausible Iota Miota value expectation would be a difficult undertaking. Be that as it may, going by the master value estimate and market feelings, the mindset looks quite good. As indicated by Iota Expectation 2023, the Iota coin cost might cross the greatest value level of $1.27 with conceivable least value level of around $1.04. The typical cost of Iota could reach to $1.16 toward the finish of 2023. Iota Value Expectation 2024. To anticipate long-haul Iota value figures, brokers and Iota financial backers ought to do essential specialized investigation, Iota network as well as basics, keeping additionally the early highlights of Miota being not difficult to store and other DLT-driven ecological benefit. One can consider that Iota crypto gauges would be significant to the innovative headway of the record data set for adaptability and capacity. Likewise, keeping in context how Iota shares the rationale and data set of various gadgets that by and large run it, it makes the exchanges more solid and proficient. This could drive the Iota flexibility rate and increment its valuation to around $1.62 toward the finish of 2024. Iota Value Forecast 2025. In the event that the Iota value keeps on performing decisively and reliably toward the finish of 2024,